I vividly remember the moment that I became an abortion activist, and that was the evening of July 3rd, 1989, when I was watching the news and heard of the Webster decision. States could now restrict abortion rights on a case-by-case basis. And what happened directly after that was some 500 anti-choice measures and bills were introduced. So it had a tremendous impact. It was a gateway to anti-choice legislation.
Bills inspired or drafted by anti-abortion politicians are now pending or have passed in almost every state. In Kentucky, as in 34 other states, abortion funding is only available in cases of rape, incest, or life endangerment.
Which an anencephalic baby is a baby that when the neural tube or the spinal cord brain segment begins to develop, there is no development at the top of the spinal cord. So you have up to the brain stem, which is the base of the brain back here that controls breathing, the heart rate, but nothing above it. So above, from the ears and the eyebrows up, there is nothing. There is no brain.
Well, Angela just cried and cried and cried because we wanted this baby so much.
Well, you can't go down.
And I asked the doctor, I said, what do we do now? You know, and she said she can carry the baby for 9 months and take a risk on Angela's life, and knowing that the baby had no chance. Or we could go and take the baby now and just do it this way, and because of Angela's life.
If I continue the pregnancy, the child would not, you know, survive, not even a minute. So she said that that the dangers were that the placenta, there would be a chance where I could hemorrhage to death if I just went ahead and did that. And so I say no. I didn't see what, you know, why would I want to go through a whole 9 months giving birth to a baby that wasn't going to be alive?
To spare Angela the medical risk of carrying to term and the trauma of giving birth to a baby with no chance of survival, the family decided to end the pregnancy. They soon discovered that the several $1,000 cost of the operation would not be covered by Medicaid.
It was not an option for them to pay for this out of pocket. They would have had to stay within the medical card system, would have gone through the pregnancy, would have gone through the delivery, and then would have gone through the loss.